Hello good people, welcome to another video of our SEO series. In our last video, we have talked about the basics of link building. You can watch it if you missed it by clicking this button here. Today, we will discuss link building strategies and what tools we need to create it. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video. How to create links. Building high-quality links is key to improving a website's search engine ranking. Here are some strategies for building links. Create valuable and shareable content. Creating likable assets is an important strategy for improving a website's search engine optimization. People naturally link to a high-quality, helpful content they find online. Linkable assets are interesting, useful, or informative content that other websites are likely to link to. When other websites link to your website, it signals to search engines that your website is authoritative and trustworthy, which can improve your website's ranking. Linking assets come in various shapes and sizes, including digital tools and calculators, visual representation such as infographics, GIF graphics, etc., recognitions and hierarchies, researches and investigations, surveys related to specific industry, practical guides and tutorials, explanation and newly created phrases. The next one is guest blogging. Reach out to other sites in your niche and offer to write a blog post for your website in exchange for a link to your site known as guest blogging. The key to achieving success with outreach campaigns for guest posts lies in utilizing effective techniques. Presented below are some of the most effective methods to accomplish this goal. Identify relevant websites. List websites relevant to your niche or industry. Look for your websites that have published guest posts in the past or have an active blog section. Research the website. Spend some time researching the website and the type of content they publish. This will help you to understand the website's audience and tailor your pitch accordingly. Find the right contact. Look for the email address of the editor or content manager responsible for the guest posts. You can also connect with them on social media platforms like LinkedIn or Twitter. Next is, you must have to personalize your pitch. Avoid sending generic pitches to every website on your list. Take the time to personalize it by addressing the recipient by the name and mentioning why your content could fit their website well. Highlight your expertise. In your pitch, emphasize your expertise and why you are qualified to write on the topic. Provide links to your previous work or website to showcase your writing skills. Follow up. It's a must. If you are still waiting to hear back from the website after a week or so, send a polite follower email. Sometimes it takes few emails to respond. So keep going. Be persistent. Don't give up even if your pitch is rejected. Keep looking for new opportunities and refining your pitch until you succeed. Remember that guest blogging is about relationship and providing value to website audience. With persistence and hard work, you can use guest blogging as a powerful marketing tool to grow your business or brand. Broken link building. Broken link building is an SEO technique that involves finding broken links on other websites and replacing them with working links to your own site. There are two crucial aspects of this strategy: competitor analysis and on-site broken backlinks. Competitor analysis. By analyzing your competitor backlinks profile, you can identify opportunities to acquire links from websites that link to your competitors but have broken links. On-site broken backlinks. It's important to audit your site for broken backlinks to ensure that it functions properly and provides a positive user experience. By fixing broken links on your site, you can improve your site's authority and prevent users from encountering frustrated dead ends. Directory submissions. Submit your website to reputable web directories. Directory submissions are a popular link building strategies that involve submitting a website links to online directories. Online directories are websites that list businesses, websites, and other types of organizations, organized by categories and subcategories. By submitting a website's link to these directories, web admins can improve their website's visibility, traffic, and search engine rankings. Directory submission can be made manually or through automated software, and paid and free directories both are available online. However, it's important to note that directory submissions are just one aspect of our comprehensive link building strategies. It is important to balance them with other techniques such as guest blogging, social media, and content marketing. Choosing high quality directories relevant to websites' niche and having a good reputation is also essential. Social media marketing. Share your content on social media and engage with your followers to encourage them to link to your site. Using social media for brand promotion and creating a personal profile can enhance your brand positioning and gain trust. It can positively affect your branded search engine results. Page and attract more traffic to your website. It is a great strategy to leverage your branded traffic and make people want to learn more about you. However, it's more focused on gaining branded traffic than building backlinks. Influencer outreach. We all know about this. It is a very important link building strategies. By collaborating with influencers, you can gain high quality backlinks from their websites or social media profiles, improving your website search engine rankings and driving traffic to your site. Additionally, influencers can help you reach a wider audience and build brand awareness. Next is partnership and collaboration. Collaborating with other websites or businesses to create content or promotion resulting in backlinks. This is what we do in the collaborating and partnership section. Next is replicating competitors' backlinks. One effective and simple strategy is to analyze your competitors' backlink profiles and build a similar profile to improve ranking or increase traffic. You can use the link building tool to find websites where your competitors have backlinks that you don't, and the backlink gap tool for a side-by-side comparison. Filter the result by selecting your domain to see backlink your rivals have obtained, but you should have noticed. Let's now talk about the link building tools. You can use many tools for link building. Some are free while others are paid. Here are some free ones. Google Alerts. Using a notification system that alerts you whenever a specific word or phrase appears on a recently published page is a way to discover high-quality link opportunities. That's where Google Alerts came in handy. Next is Moz Link Explorer. Moz Link Explorer allows you to reach backlinks, track link metrics, and discover new link building strategies. Ahref Backlink Checker. Ahref Backlink Checker is a free tool that allows you to check your website backlinks and identify opportunities for link building. SEMrush Backlink Checker. SEMrush Backlink Checker allows you to analyze your website backlinks and identify link building opportunities. Next is Hunter.io. Hunter.io allows you to find the email addresses of people associated with a particular website, which can help you in your outreach efforts. These are the free tools. So let's now check the premium ones. Majestic. Majestic is a backlink analysis tool offering features like link profile analysis, link tracking, and link prospecting. BuzzStream. BuzzStream is a link building and outreach tool offering features like link prospecting, email outreach, and link tracking. Next is Pitchbox. Pitchbox is an outreach and link building platform offering features like link prospecting, email outreach, and link tracking. Ninja Outreach. Ninja Outreach is an outreach and influencer marketing tool offering features like the link prospecting, email outreach, and link tracking. So, after hearing the whole discussion, we can say that link building is an essential for your website to rank in search engine results. Instead of focusing on the number of links, Google prioritizes the user experience you provide. Employ smart and strategic tactics such as blogging, social media marketing, SEO, and others to build quality links. The main challenge is to acquire natural and reliable links, not just the quantity. By following these proven link building strategies and using the tools, you can establish a successful blog that satisfies both user and Google. That's it for today. See you in the next video.